Hi, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
Okay, here we are again to talk about one of our workshops.
Yes, it's an interesting one which we're going to be doing on Thursday, called Shifting Control, and I guess for a lot of us, we do either find that people controlling us is difficult, or we feel that we have to be in control of different things just to really stay safe and stay in a way where things will feel okay to us. But both of those approaches really, in a way, make our lives more rigid and less satisfying.
Well, that's right. If we allow other people to control us, not respect our boundaries, then we're actually not living life to our authentic selves. And if we actually shift way too much control into our lives and try and put, um, you know, set ways, that rigidity really makes you hard to relate to other people and for others to relate to you. So, in this workshop, what we want to do is see how you relate to control, how you can use it to be more efficient and more open in your life rather than keeping things closed and keeping things tight with the way that you relate to others.
Yes, and I guess there is also an aspect of this where there are some people who just have very strong desires and they can be quite selfish, self centered. I want to be how I want to be. And
Mm,
there's no consideration, no care, no heart. And when
yes.
there's no heart like that, the control that is exhibited can be actually quite cruel.
Yes, you do have to have consideration for the world is a very open space. And if you think about it, it is very much like being on a freeway. And you do want to go with the flow rather than needing to direct the traffic to go with what you want. No, everyone has their own path. You have to know where is your groove and how to best, move and create and all of that so that you actually have more of a better relationship with everything and everyone around you.
Yes, well, that's true. And we do have a spiritual component to this workshop. It's a little bit like let thy will rather than my will be done. And it's really something where if we can focus on being centered in our center, and we can also call for support and help, really in a way to be true inside of ourselves with what we really want. So it comes from a place of our heart rather than our desires. Then that's something really where we can direct our lives in a way which feels right and feels in harmony, not only with ourselves, but with those that we love around us too. And that's a more ideal setting of how control can be actually a force for positive action in our lives rather than something which is suppressing others.
Yes. So this workshop will be on tomorrow at 6 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time, which will be 9 o'clock in the morning for our friends in the UK. And so we hope to see you there. And once again, greetings from Caboolture, Queensland.
Yes, greetings from Queensland, where we're really having a wonderful time enjoying the nature here and lots of animals. So it's been very good. So I hope you're doing well and you'll be very welcome to join us.
Okay. Bye now.